Hi, my name is Julie Kennedy, and I am thrilled to be piloting a new program with Redwood Literacy this year called Spell Links. Today, I'd like to take just a couple minutes and talk to you about what speech to print means, and then we'll dive into some unique components of the Spell Links program itself. So, what is speech to print? Very simply defined, speech to print is an approach that starts with a focus on the spoken word and moves from that starting point to the written word. This challenges the traditional print-to-speech way of teaching and has solid research to back it. Did you know, as humans, we are biologically wired for oral language, for listening and speaking, but we are not biologically wired for written language, for reading and spelling? Let me elaborate. Think about it. No one had to sit us down or send us to school to teach us how to understand spoken words or express our ideas. We simply needed to be immersed in a social environment rich in language for the developmental processes of speech and language to unfold. When students walk through those doors on the first day of school, their phonological systems are fully or nearly fully developed. Now, let me give you an example and explain why this is important. Think about how you arrange the files on your computer. You have your system that you're familiar with, and it flows well. Think about if someone came in and rearranged all of your files. How would you feel? How would you function? Speech to print instruction, therefore, is about wrapping around the systems already in place, those systems that students already have developed when they come to school, fostering that biological organization of the brain for spoken language, and facilitating students learning to read and spell words from there. Now let's dive into some unique components of the Spell Links program itself. Spell Links uniquely combines speech to print, multilinguistic, and metalinguistic word study methods. Spell Links is not a one-size-fits-most program. Your child receives only the instruction she needs. They're taking part in placement testing that provides explicit data to the instructor to allow them to differentiate instruction. Spell Links' revolutionary curriculum, backed by research, leverages the brain's innate wiring through a speech-to-print model. The Spell Links lessons foster a triple word form teaching approach with lessons focusing on phonology, sounds, orthography, letters, and morphology, meaning. Triple word form refers to simultaneously drawing upon and coordinating all three of these skills to read and spell words. Spell Links also focuses on phonological awareness, letter patterns and rules, syllable divisions, and syllable types. Lastly, and one of my favorite components of the Spell Links program, is a method called continuous phonation. The reader's trained to reduce any breaks between words by maintaining voicing continuously until she needs to take a natural breath. This method of continuously sounding out the word instead of breaking apart the sounds leads to automaticity of reading words much faster than the traditional methods of breaking apart the sounds. If any of what you heard today sounds like something you're interested in for your student, please don't hesitate to reach out. We look forward to hearing from you.